On the takeoff roll, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the gentleman in the weirdest looking airplane we will see all the time this weekend. It is known as a LongEZ. It is an experimental, amateur-built airplane designed by the legendary designer Bert Rutan. It looks like it's flying backwards, but it's fully aerobatic. It has a very, very interesting, if you will, landing gear situation because only the nose gear retracts. The tail, or the elevator that's usually at the back of on the tail, is on the front. It's called a canard. The propeller is in the back. It's a pusher.
Ready when you are, brother. Sweet. I got a few maneuvers, and I'll knock you on the wing wave, and we'll pretend like I'm landing. Roger that. So I should just keep going, right? Absolutely. Ready.
Kyle Fowler got his start. Look at this thing. Got his start in aviation at a very early age when he began announcing at age 12 for his dad, Ken Fowler's air show routine. Though this airplane isn't capable of aggressive aerobatics, it more than makes up for it with its very unique style. It's got a 180 horsepower motor on it. It enables him to fly at about 200 miles per hour. And he flew it all the way to Florida from Western Alberta, Canada. We were talking the other day and he said, I really don't want to fly it back up to Canada right now because it's cold up there and this airplane doesn't have a heater in it. So he's going to try to figure out some way to keep it down here in Florida and then still get the maintenance done on it for next season. Very unique rudder situation, but let's watch him now as he does a clover loop. With a quarter roll to the right, and he'll head out toward the tower, kind of buzzing those guys. I'm hoping that the guys and ladies in the tower will post some of these pictures on Facebook or Instagram or something. Now let's watch Kyle as he does a barrel roll, once again maintaining 1G all the way around. Kyle has owned this airplane since 2015, and he bought it specifically to fly for air shows. He's currently a licensed automotive mechanic, and that helps him in LongEZ maintenance. Because it's an amateur-built or a home-built aircraft, he can do a lot of the work himself on the aircraft. Very unique rudder situation that rather than the pedals working left and right to turn a single rudder, each pedal controls the winglet on each wing and they only go outward. So flying the airplane is a little bit different than flying most other airplanes, but it is very unique.
Hi, Rob, you ready to talk?
And I think what we ought to do right now is go live to the cockpit and say hello to Kyle Fowler. And Kyle, I was just telling the folks that you don't want to fly back to Canada because you don't have a heater in the airplane.
That's right, Rob. I got to fly all the way back. Going to make the trip on Sunday, and it's already snowing back home, so it's going to be a long trip. But hey, Rob, how's everybody doing down there?
Well, folks, make some noise. Give him a round of applause so he can hear you in the cockpit. You hear that?
I do indeed. Well, I got you on the radio here, Rob. Let's have a big round of applause
you too. I was just telling the people about the unique rudder situation. When you press on the right pedal, the rudder only turns to the outside. Is that correct?
That's correct. And if I press them both, then they both go down, and it works kind of like a speed brake. But hey, Rob, that's all the time I've got for today, so I'm going to come around and land.
Oh, okay, you're going to land?
Yeah, I'm coming around, power back, gears coming down.
Okay, the nose gear, that's very unique.
A little different, and we're running a little bit long here, but we're going to touch down about midfield on the runway.
All right, everybody, keep your eyes out, show center here, because...
Hey, Rob, what's with this bike on the runway here?
I don't know what he's doing out there. It's a fouled runway. I don't think you can land yet. The motorcycle's out there.
It's an air show, right, Rob?
Well, I hope so. I don't know. I don't even know if he's got a radio or not. But can you chase him out?
I'll see what I can do. I'm going to come around. I'm going to scare him off the runway.
You're going to scare him off the runway?
Oh yeah, he's just a bike in his head there, so I think he got the wrong direction. He must be from, I think he's from Oklahoma or something.
Well, let me do a little. Anybody have it? Oh yeah, I found out who it is. His name's Cody Elkins. Well, that didn't frighten him off.
What are you going to do, Rob?
I don't know. I think you make another pass, get a little lower, get a little closer.
I'm going to go right between his ramps to make sure that he knows that this is an air show. Cody, are you ready?
Hey, Cody, are you ready? I guess he is. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up, take a look, because what we're going to see here, Cody is going to go jump.
Off of my runway so I can come in and land, and we can get on with your show.
Sounds good.
That's near a spot. It's a flat squeeze. You know that, Rob.
Yep. Yeah, it's a tight squeeze in there, but when you look down, you're about 3 feet off the runway, and well, let's see if it can go over you. I'm going to give up the secret now. Here goes. Oh, not that time.
I'm a scared him. Let's try this again.
Okay, you're going to make a full circle?
I'm going to come right back around. We're going to do this again.
All right, we'll try one more time. Cody Elkins holds a Guinness. There, he demonstrated it. He went over the top. It worked for him. Cody Elkins has a Guinness Book of World Records record as the longest moving quad jump. There he goes. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? That's the money shot. Cody Elkins and Kyle Fowler. It looked fantastic. He did a whole backflip and all worked perfectly. Nice job, everybody. Now you really can come back and land if you like.
I'm actually going to land.
All right. You can go back and talk to Wayne Boggs. He'll give you permission.
Put the back over box.
Copy that.
So can we skip to the good part?
He has been given clearance to land. A big round of applause, if you will, for Kyle Fowler and Cody Elkins. That was amazing. And if you've got video of that, post it on Facebook, on social media, so the world can see that. That's pretty cool stuff, if you ask me. The timing was phenomenal. very unique airplane. And Kyle wants to say a great big thank you to Aerosport Power, powering his LongEZ with the Lycoming IO 360. Artcraft Paint for the amazing paint job, including light up paint. Innovative wings for all composite work done. Cat Hill propellers and SDS EFI and ignition products, and also Lightspeed headsets. You can hashtag the backwards plane when you're posting to social media. Hashtag the backwards plane. Using up some of the smoke. Here comes Cody down the line doing a wheelie. Yeah, man. Way to go, Cody. Give him a round of applause. Coming up in just a moment, we go from one of the most unique piston-powered airplanes in the world. It looks like a banana that flies backwards.